Ready to ace your Cognizant exam? Let's dive into the essential first steps. First things first, your laptop. Make sure it's fully charged or plugged in throughout the exam. Then, log into the exam portal. You'll typically use your credentials. Carefully enter your employee ID and password, double-checking for any typos. Before you even think about the questions, a system check is crucial. This usually includes installing any required software, checking your webcam and microphone work correctly, and verifying your internet connection meets the minimum speed requirements. Follow the on-screen instructions closely. These checks are designed to ensure a smooth exam experience. Once the system checks are clear, you'll be directed to the exam interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout. Take a quick look at the timer, question display area, where you will be answering questions, and navigation buttons, such as next and previous. Knowing where everything is before you start helps reduce anxiety and saves valuable time. Read the instructions carefully before starting. Now, pay very close attention to each question. Take a deep breath, manage your time effectively, and answer each question thoughtfully. Remember to always hit that submit button after completing the question. And lastly, check if you have answered all the questions at the end. Finally, submit your test, and there you have it. Remember to stay calm, manage your time wisely, and review your answers before submitting. Good luck with your exam.